Hi friends, welcome back again. I have an impromptu delivery. I just got it in the mail and let's open it together. It's Chanel Beauty. I love that we can now choose with these little pouches so that, you can reuse it for other catch-alls and things instead of just a box where you throw it out. And this is what I see. So what are these? And they give me another pouch. I never get another pouch for samples. But finally got one with the samples. Yay, not so much samples. I love these pouches. I can put keys and stuff in there. Anyways, this is what I got. It's the 31 Le Rouge in the color 1, Rouge Beige. And it's made in France. The packaging is so elegant. I probably won't keep this, but I would love to keep this box. I mean, you could even carry your little samples of Chanel perfumes or any other perfumes when you go travel in this thing, that you need a little bit more protection because it's really sturdy for a box. And yes, I got another. I love this color so much that I ordered a second one. This color is such a beautiful neutral color that I would love to wear every day. This, like I said, this is my second. I bought another one of this already, so this is my second one. This is number 1, Rouge Beige. A very nice, beautiful nude. And these are the 3 colors, number 1, number 7, and number 2.55 in that order. And of course, it comes with this little pouch. And it seems like all of the felt ones somehow are always wrapped nicely with paper, but the one that's leather, even though the box doesn't say it's made of leather, some sort of better material than this is never wrapped. Even though the more expensive one you get from the set, the material does feel better. But honestly, I don't know if it's leather because it doesn't say it's leather. So other people say it's leather, but on the box, it doesn't say it's leather. So I don't know. Anyways, that's that. So this one's always wrapped nicely. The other one isn't wrapped at all. You've probably seen this already. This one is, again, magnetized, but I'm not quite sure how they did the measurement for this, because it seems really off. Like, it doesn't even go on, and it leaves so much room up on top. Yes, it's nice, it's quilted, and you can see here in the sun, in the light, you can see here it's quilted everywhere, but the quality of the top part, it's not very good as the other one. It slides in nicely, but if you want it to have no room and, like, you know, the perfect fit up here, it won't, it's not correctly aligned. And now that it's aligned, there's more room up here. So I don't know. I mean, even for $200, yes, it comes with a case, but the case doesn't fit very well. So I'm not quite sure how I feel about that either. But these, of course, are collector's item, and I bought the set, and I bought this individually, and I think I'm done until the next wave of color when they release more color. The sales associate says, of course, she thinks that they'll be releasing more colors, and I'm hoping more, you know, neutral colors, as opposed to the first round where a lot of them released were just, a lot of them were reds, and not everybody wear reds every single day. So I am waiting for the next release with colors. Oh, you know what? I was gonna check. I wonder if it's kind of hard to take out. It's even harder to take out with the other case than this one. But I was gonna check. It looks nice like this because the bullet is silver, and I was gonna check if other Chanel's refillable lipstick would fit in here. The one with the gold, the elixir, I think it's called, something like that. But it's all gold, and I wonder if it fits in here where, you know, I can use that, but I don't have the other refill. I may one day go into the store with this case and see if they have a sample one that, to see if it will fit in this. Or if you know if other Chanel refill lip gloss or lipsticks, I think it's from the elixir. You know, Chanel's other refillable lipstick that's made in the gold tube fits in this packaging. I would really like to know that. Now, so it's a see-through, and what gives that beautiful coloring is the bullet. And on top it's see-through, but what about the bottom? Is the bottom see-through? No, the bottom is just metal in there. So the only thing that's giving this color wave is because of the silver bullet. But if they come out with a gold bullet, would that look better? Again, I like to have it close neatly, but it won't. So it has to be like this, and therefore it has a lot of excess room, which I don't really like. But it is what it is. So I don't know if that bothers you for $200. So think about that. It's beautiful collector's piece, but beauty is in the eye of the beholder. So I'll leave it up to you if you think it's worthwhile or not. If you have any questions I can help with, be sure to leave them down below. I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends. And these are the 3 colors, number 1, number 7, and number 2.55 in that order.